Every knife deserves a great partner. A good folding knife that also serves as a powerful EDC tool. This is NexTool K30. It features a full-size folding knife that can be quickly opened with one thumb. Fluid, silky, and incredibly sharp, cutting through with ease. It also comes with large scissors, powered by NEX-SCISSORS System 2.0. You'll find a Phillips screwdriver, a flip driver that works as a flathead screwdriver, and of course, a file, a threader, a tweezers, and a bottle opener. NexTool K30, the spirit of a knight, always by your side.